Good day YouTube, it's Suren from Protech. Today it's going to be a very quick video about replacing iPhone 11 Pro screen plus transferring Truetone from original screen to aftermarket screen. So I got a 11 Pro here. It's been disabled due to Digitizer has been damaged. So as you can see, it's the assistive touch button does not move with my finger, so that's definitely faulty. So let's go ahead and get this started. First of all, turn off the phone if it's possible. In this case, yes, it's possible. Remove two bottom screws. Screws are out. I'll go ahead and start removing the screen. Start from one of the bottom corners. Seems to be coming out from the actual screen frame, so gotta be really careful of these flex cables when you're opening this up. So this is where your battery connector located. So first go ahead and remove those two. So screws can be placed in a certain spot so you won't miss them. So that's out. So you gotta start removing these 6 screws, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm gonna start removing one by one, and I'm gonna keeping them into order so I'm not gonna be missing it. Plates out. Gonna be going ahead and start removing those flex cables for the screen. So just gonna stay on the side for a bit. So get your copier, turn it on, and iPhone 11 and 11 Pro Max sits on the top. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug this small connector. Once I plug it in, it says connected, and this is the version details and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit read on the device. It's gonna take a few seconds to read the data, and it's gonna be storing in this device. So I'm gonna take the connector off. Main screen. We already connected. This is a non-genuine screen, so it doesn't have proper serial numbers and things like that, but we already stored my previous ones, so I'm going to go ahead and write that. So it's going to take a few seconds again in order to write the program into the new LCD. I still got to mention something quite really important. Once you insert a non-genuine display or display from another phone to iPhone 11 or afterwards phone like 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, you're gonna be getting a message you'll be using non-genuine display. So through this copier, that's not gonna be fixing that problem. There will be another solution that we can go ahead and do it. It's kind of a complicated repair. I would say it's a micro soldering. So in the future video I'm expecting to do one of those. So it's probably programming this chip, not actually programming, you've got to physically remove the chip, grind this chip and re-ball and solder the original chip onto here. So that's the only way, as far as I know at this stage, what you can do. So guys, definitely you're gonna get the Truetone back with this method. So we keep going with this repair. So disconnecting. So this device can be off now, can stay somewhere out from us. So I'm going to transfer all the sensors to the speaker from the broken screen to the new one. So look at that, it's already came out. It's very unique. The whole thing is out now. And the screen can be discarded as well. So I keep that on the side. Beautifully, as how we expected. So thanks very much for watching, guys. If you have any questions, just comment down below. Please subscribe to our channel, that would help a lot for making new videos in the future. And thank you very much for watching, and see you from our next video. Thank you.